Hello, I'm Ange Wilson of GnomeAngel, and I'm here to teach you skills to help build your confidence and conquer patchwork with ease. Let's get it started. Step 1. Get the pattern. Click the link in the description below to get the free pattern sent straight to your inbox. To make this block, you'll need the following supplies. An optional nice to have is the From Marty Michelle Perfect Patchwork Template Set T. They will all help you with your accuracy, fabric management, fussy cutting, and time management when it comes to constructing this block. But again, they're a nice to have, not a must have. If you'd like to know more about this nice to have, then check out the information in the description below. Step 2. Cut your pieces. Using the pattern as your guide, cut your pieces. Lay out your pieces as shown in the pattern. Alternatively, you can use a ruler and a rotary cutter to make the quarter square triangle unit, or hourglass, or the half square triangle units that are used in this block. Check out my 2 tutorials showing you how to use the trim to size method to make these units. If you're using the traditional method, you're going to need to trim your half square triangle and your quarter square triangle units to 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Step 3. Join your pieces. In this step, you'll join piece A to piece B to form a half square triangle, and you'll join piece C to piece D to form half a quarter square triangle. My quick tip for those of you chasing accuracy, press your pieces as you work. Step 4, you're going to join piece CD to piece CD to complete your quarter square triangles. Step 5, you'll join your units to complete your rows. You'll start at the top and work down to the bottom, making 3 rows in total. Step 6. Join your rows. I like to work top down from row 1, then to 2, then to 3. Step 7. Happy dance. Press your block. Stand back and admire your handiwork and marvel at those crisp points. If you'd like to make a quilt with this block, the free pattern has all the instructions for making a 60-inch by 60-inch quilt. Perfect for snuggling together on the couch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more.